Hello folks, in this video I will show you how to add audio to Gamma AI presentation. So first of all, go over here on right and click on videos and media. Right over here, you can see my cursor. Now click on video or audio URL. Now after that go on drive and upload the desired audio file over here. For example, I'm uploading this one. Now click on this here and change restricted to anyone with the link. After that, copy link and click on done. Now again go on Gamma and paste the URL here. Click on go and you are set to go. Now your audio file is uploaded to Gamma AI.